let us look at this from two perspectives. WhatsApp is used for personal communications and business communication. When it comes to personal communication, there is no difference in terms of how user data is collected previously before the policy was introduced and how it will be collected in the future.
Perhaps the clarity that is needed is that the change is only happening on WhatsApp Business, where third-party integration is possible, and WhatsApp is making it clear that while you allow third-party hosting, Facebook can also be one of the partners that could be used. However, that ensures if you're using WhatsApp, the consumer business, there are no changes. Your communication is end-to-end secure, it's encrypted. The chats are 100% secure.
What WhatsApp has done is basically clarified and explained how they collect user metadata, which includes your phone number, your IP address, etc., which is basically used to enhance the functionality of the app. And it also helps law enforcement agencies towards solving criminal investigations. What Facebook is doing is basically introducing a service to allow WhatsApp business users who are using WhatsApp API to now be able to host their chats on a Facebook cloud server. Why would they do that? They would do that to basically help their business go large, to also handle consumer interactions at scale. And they can do this with any third-party service provider as well, and it's up to the discretion of the business in this case. Users' personal chat is absolutely secure. Users' personal chat is encrypted end-to-end. WhatsApp uses a signal protocol, which is the gold standard in encryption technology today. However, if users are communicating with a WhatsApp business account, then the users will be informed that they are chatting with a business which could be hosting the chat on Facebook server. And in those cases, users can opt not to talk to such business accounts. Similarly, businesses can also not to host their chats on Facebook. So over there also, there is discretion and consent.
Absolutely, 100%. You should accept the new policy. You have to trust WhatsApp with the new changes, and this policy only clarifies what they are doing.
Nothing is going to change if they accept the policy. Whatever user metadata was being collected, it will still be collected. What WhatsApp has done is now come forward and clarified. So in order to enhance their own transparency, they have come forward and told the users that, look, these are the types of metadata that we could be collecting.
There's a lot of misinformation which is getting floated. It's important that you read through the proper communication channels. You should read through the links which Facebook and WhatsApp have given. Read through the policy, read through it in detail, and you'll be able to understand what it means to you and for your business.